Undergraduates, graduates, and common folk here in Boone have made Lily's Snack Bar their go-to drink and chill bar since its opening in July 28, 2019. Their immense support of the LGBT community and the Black Lives Matter movement has made them a welcoming place for every walk of color. The pandemic affected businesses for bars in Boone, but now that things are coming back to normal, Lily's Snack Bar has made sure to protect everyone coming into the bar by requiring vaccination to enter the snack bar. Charlie, a co-owner of the snack bar, spoke about what went into the decision.
Tried to listen to the science at that moment, and as always, we made an effort to put our employees first. But it was born out of a desire to protect our staff and be responsible members of the community. We're really thankful for the people who chose to come, and we respect the decision of anyone who decided not to.
This was an unprecedented decision by Lily's, as no other bars in the Boone area required vaccination to enter. The question on how it would affect business was completely up in the air for the owners.
We are in unprecedented times. There's no benchmark as to what business should be like during a pandemic. So I think it's really hard to nail down a cause and effect relationship between those two. I will say that we're still open.
In the past month, with more people vaccinated and many things returning to normal, Lily's decided to no longer require vaccination for entry, citing the safety of employees and customers for this decision.
We spoke to our staff and asked them what their thoughts were and formulated a plan based on that.
With more than half of the Boone population now fully vaccinated, Lily's and many other businesses are attempting to proceed with business as usual. But with these unprecedented times, a lot of tough decisions had to be made for the snack bar to keep customers and employees satisfied.